Presenting a pre-owned 2011 Volkswagen CC Sport. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and a 6-speed manual transmission. This Volkswagen has less than 85,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city, and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, power windows, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.